Hey everybody, it's Bob from dr.suess. So today, took a little time out on my day off from work. Came to my stepdaughter's house, and this is what I did to her wall. Because she asked me to real nicely. She bought me lunch. So, obviously what I did is I took the beadboard, I put it on top of the molding at the floor. Fits perfect, it's squared at the bottom. Put it up, and then I made a ledge and a trim board to go over. But it turned out very well. She's very happy with it. And what's gonna be, the crib's gonna sit in front of it, so it's kind of like a protector on the sheetrock of the crib, so in case the crib hit up against it, put the rocking chair over here, protect it. But she is very, very, very pleased with it. And I think it turned out pretty good. So at this point, if you like this little quick thing, give us a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.